Tonight, a surprise decision that left even the victim's family stunned. A Hennepin County judge has rejected a plea deal that would have kept one of Steve Markey's killers out of prison.
Lou Raguse has covered this case from the very beginning and has more on this unlikely move. Hi, Lou.
Hi, Rena and Lauren. It is incredibly rare for a judge to reject a plea deal made between the two sides, the prosecution and the defense. But Steve Markey's family argues that no one is on their side. And they say that Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty is acting more like a public defender. Now, Markey was killed in the summer of 2019 in an attempted carjacking by teens Jared Ostman and Hussein Braveheart. Ostman pleaded guilty and received 22 years in prison, but Braveheart's case lingered on through appeals. Now at age 20, Moriarty offered him a plea deal that would result in no prison time. Her reasoning is that he made great progress over the last 4+ years in treatment and that sending him to adult prison would make him more likely to reoffend when eventually released. Judge Michael Burns let Markey's family give victim impact statements before making his decision. Emotional memories of Steve, as well as pleas for the judge to reject the deal. And ultimately, that's what the judge did, essentially saying that Moriarty's team overstated Braveheart's amenability to probation.
Therefore, based on my review of the record, I am not accepting Mr. Braveheart's guilty plea at this time.
We're grateful that he made that decision, which is a brave decision.
Were you surprised?
Yes, negotiated plea agreements between parties are generally accepted. It's extremely unusual for a negotiated plea agreement to be rejected.
Now, as rare as it is, this is the second time in just weeks that this has happened to Moriarty's office. In a statement after the hearing, her spokesperson wrote in part, "We disagree with the judge's decision. His Braveheart's responsiveness thus far shows that continued serious treatment gives us the best chance to protect the public in the future. Instead, Braveheart's treatment would likely end if he goes to adult prison, and he would likely come out worse than when he went in." So what's next? What happens now? The judge set another court date for December. And if there's not a new plea deal negotiated by that time, then this case will go to trial. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Lou.